how to make an ebook for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an ebook for free. So let's get into it. Now, the tool that we are using to create our ebook is called as Vista Create or create.vista.com. So this is a online platform that you can use to create any kind of digital designs, and you can create anywhere from Facebook to YouTube ads to your own ebook. Now, to get started with Vista Create, it is a very simple setup. You're going to click on sign up over here, and once you click on sign up, you can enter your email address and your password, or you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. So I am just going to continue on with my Google account to sign up for Vista Create over here, and I'm just going to sign up over here. You don't have to provide any other information, just your email, and then you just have to use a password. And now I'm just going to enter up my password. Now, once I have entered my password, this is going to be my basic dashboard, and over here you can begin creating your ebook. So to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the search bar over here, and you're just going to search for ebook, and then you have show all templates for ebook, or you can scroll down over here. It says ebook. So these are all of the ebook templates, and now you can take a look at the different templates that are available, or you can click on blank ebook to get started as well. Now, in my case, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to continue with a template and show you guys how you can create a very professional looking ebook just by a template. And what I recommend is that once you get used to creating, like working with a template, you can begin creating your own ebook from scratch as well. But if you don't want to do like the extra creative work, and if you're not someone that really likes to design stuff, then I would just recommend that you should continue off with the templates. Now, to get started, let's say that I want to create a ebook on how to create a successful YouTube channel or something like that, how to set up a YouTube channel. So I'm going to use this template over here, or I can even use this one. So I think I'm going to go with this one. And you might be wondering, hey, this looks like so different and all that. Don't worry at all. You are going to just be taking this as a sample, and you are going to be adding your own touch to it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first initial heading text. I'm going to add how to set up a YouTube channel. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the font size like so, and I'm going to take a look at the alignment of the text. So I want this to be center aligned, and it is like so. And I think this looks okay. Now, what I also can do is space out the text differently like this. I can expand this like so. And by doing this, I can have my text set up in this manner. So we're just going to make sure it's all centered. And once I have centered my text, I'm going to take a look at the side text. I'm going to delete that. And then I could add my name. So I could space this out as the add larger spaces. I'm going to add some spaces over here and just place the text like so. And you can obviously add more spaces accordingly to space it out however much you want. So I'm just going to make sure we have some distance. Everything is balanced out. So I think I'm going to continue on with this. And now once I have done that, I'm going to change up this image. So you have this image, you're just going to delete it. And then what you can do is, obviously if you have your own images, you can upload them. But on your left, you have all of these different sections. So you can add photos, videos, music, animations, objects, text, styles, brand kits, and so much more. So we're going to go into photos, and we're going to search for YouTube. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use instead of YouTube, I'm going to search for laptop, and I'm going to take this image, and I'm going to resize this image over here, and I'm going to search for YouTube play button. And you can search for any topic, whatever you might have, so you can search for it and find images or content related to that. So I'm just going to continue on with this, and now we're going to click on page number 2. So on your right, you have your pages, and I don't think I need this page like that, so I'm gonna delete all of that stuff. And what I would do is I would add the content of my book in this page. So I would click on text over here on my left, and I would click on add text, and now I can start adding the content of my book. So part 1, how to name your channel. So now I'm adding the content. So this is part one, how to name your channel, and I'm going to expand the text, resize my text block, and I'm just going to drag it to the top center. And now I can select the text over here and I can change up the font like this. You can change up the font. I'm gonna go with offside. And then you're obviously gonna add the body text. I'm gonna leave the body text as it is. Like I'm gonna leave the body text empty, but this is just a reference. But another thing that you can do, like this green block design, you can add images in the green block design as a sort of frame, and then you can add the text over here. So let's say I go into photos, I can search for person and I can go on to animations instead. I'm going to search for person and laptop, and I'm going to use one of these animations like so, and I'm going to decrease the size just so it fits perfectly. And then I would add like the text content on the white side of my paper. So on the left side, I would add my text content. And then I can go on to page number 3, which is the content list of my book. So obviously you're going to add the content list. You can move this page up if you find it down below and then go on to part 1. So you can easily move pages just by dragging and dropping them. So this is like page number 3, and if I want to make this page page number 4, I would just click this over here on the right and I would just move it up, and now this is page number 2. So you can change the arrangement of pages later on if you mess up, so don't worry about that. And then you can see over here, now you have your book content like so. This is just the magic of numbers, so I would delete this image and instead I would go into photos, or you can even go into animations to find attractive animations for your ebook. So I'm going to search for laptop, and I am going to add these animations at the bottom. And the best part about creating an ebook is that you can add like different animations and they would be animated. It looks a lot more attractive and it really attracts a lot more people to your book. It makes reading the book a lot easier rather than just reading like a traditional book where there wouldn't be like interesting graphics or interesting formats to follow. So you can see I've added this image, and you can add more images and find more images according to the content or the topic of your book. You can add your own images as well by uploading them, but using the animations can really elevate your ebook. So if I go on to the next page over here, this is like a text central page, but I can instead leave one paragraph of text like so and add an animation over here like so, and then I can do command C and command V, and then I'm just going to shorten this text. So now I have just added this text and I have created these basic 5 pages for my ebook. Obviously you can add more pages but just by clicking on new page over here, and you can begin adding new pages, or you can copy the page format that you already have previously used and you have your ebook. You can click on download over here and you can download this as a GIF. You can download this as a PDF standard and click on download over here. And just like that, you have your ebook ready using Vista Create. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own ebook for free using Vista Create. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.